Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
Let's proceed with question number 3. Contemporary scholars believe that criminal motivation is the product of one or more of a complex set of factors. Broadly speaking, these factors may be considered in one of the following 3 categories except. So there are so many factors why in criminology we believe that there's no single reason why people commit crime. Maraming reasons why people commit crime. Diba? Kaya nga crime is impossible, diba? Or at the very least, difficult to eradicate kasi maraming factors why people commit crime. And that's the reason why there are so many theories. There are a lot of possible explanations why people commit crime. But we can group them together. So sa dinami-dami ng mga theories na to, we can group them into 3 or we can summarize them into 3. Alin daw dito, ang tanong alin dito yung hindi nabibilang sa tatlong groups of theories niya. And I think the clue here is in the question itself. Sabi niya contemporary scholars, so meaning modern scholars, no? So contemporary means right now, diba? So modern. Theories attributing criminal behavior to biological or congenital defects of the offender. Yes, that's one group of theories na i-discuss natin. By the way, pag sabi biological, it means congenital, it means inherited. Meaning, sinasabi nila na there is such thing as a born criminal, na pagkapanganak mo, meron ka ng mga namana, na mga traits that makes you more likely to commit crime, and we will discuss them. A good example of this is Sid Lombroso, di ba, yung Lombrosian theory, na sinabi niya that a criminal, may be an atavist. Mamaya i-discuss natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng atavist, di ba? And then, so letter A is one group of the theories of contemporary scholars. Letter B, theories relating to psychological factors. That's correct. So you may not be a born criminal, but maybe there are some psychological factors. Maybe you have some repressed feelings, diba? Or may mga issues ka psychologically na hindi mo pa nare-resolve mula nung bata ka, ngayon na adult life mo, diba? Or you may have some mental disorders that you acquired, diba, while growing up, that becomes the primary reason why you are committing crime. So psychological. So that's correct. No, letter B is one of group of or categories or explanation. So sa letter B, di-discuss natin yung mga psychoanalytical theory nila. Sino ba? Si Sigmund Freud, di ba? So we will talk about that later on. Letter C, theories relating to environmental or social factors. So di-discuss natin sila Robert King Merton, the advocate of strain theory, di ba? Sino pa? Sila differential opportunity theory, sila Lloyd Olin. So we will be discussing mga sociological factors na mga yan later on, but letter C is also included in the 3 categories of theory. Ang hindi kasama dito is letter D, di ba? Relating crime to divine intervention. As I've said, gone are the days that we're using religion, gone are the days that we're using theological explanation on why people commit crime. Tayo medyo more rational or scientific yung approach natin on why people commit crime. So pag tinanong ka later on sa Congress, as a criminologist, or sa court, di ba? Bakit ba nagiging criminal ang mga tao? You don't say, ay kasi ganito yung sabi ng Bible. Hindi tayong mga criminologists, we separate our religious belief from our profession, di ba? Kasi we're more on, we are more now on things that we can measure, things that we can observe. Kumbaga, more scientific na tayo sa approach natin on explaining why people commit crime. So again, letter A, biological, letter B, psychological, letter C, sociological or environmental. Okay? Thumbs up naman, ay palakpakan naman kung nasagot niyo yung tamang sagot. Tingin nga. Ay, nasagot niyo yung tamang sagot. Nakuha niyo yung tamang sagot. Sorry. Palakpakan nga. Ayan, si Aldrin got the correct answer. Roseanne. It's nice, no? Alright, sige. So I think majority already answered this question. So there are three important areas in the development of criminology. Alin daw dito yung hindi kasama dun sa three important areas in the development of criminology. So syempre, an important area in the development of criminology is the development of criminal law. Kasi 'di ba, criminal law are the laws that defines crime, treats of its nature, and provides for its punishment. Without criminal law, there's no crime. Eh di wala tayong pag-aaralan as criminologists, di ba? Kasi walang crime eh. Di ba? So kasama yon. Letter B, causes of law violation. Kasama pa rin yun, di ba? Why do people commit crime? Importante yan. Yun yung kasi why do people violate the law? Importante yan na area in the development of criminology. Actually, yun yung pinaka-primary role natin sa society, di ba? Study crime, study criminals so that we could provide possible explanation, scientific explanation on why people commit crime, di ba? Letter C, methods used in controlling criminal behavior. That's also part on the development of criminology. Pag sabi mong methods used in controlling criminal behavior, kasama na dyan ng ang policing, 'di ba? So ano ba yung mga iba-ibang approach in the law enforcement such that ma-deter natin ma-deter natin or ma-prevent natin yung mga criminal na yan from committing crime, yung mga would-be offenders na tinatawag natin, and at the same time, yung mga nag-commit na ng crime, how do we detect them? How do we investigate them? So kasama na dyan yung sa letter C, yung crime detection and investigation. How do we process the physical evidence, examine the physical evidence? So kasama na dyan yung criminalistics. Diba? Sa letter C, kasama na din dyan yung penology kasi how do we punish them? How do we treat them so that, how do we rehabilitate them so that they don't if they commit crime and if they got convicted, how do we make sure that once they are done with serving their sentence, how that they would not commit crime anymore. So kasama yung A, B, and C. So that leaves us with letter D, none of this. In fact, A, B, C are all important areas in the development of criminology. Napaka-broad ng criminology, no? I think I'm sorry, but for me, criminology is one of the most interesting courses that we have that's out there. No.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!